My name is Cam Kirk. I'm a creative photographer and a creative entrepreneur based here in Atlanta, Georgia. And we're at Cam Kirk Studios. What I'm most known for is the work I do with Atlanta's rising artists and Atlanta's superstars. And now I'm sitting here at my own studio, Cam Kirk Studios, where I'm able to work with just a new generation of talent. As I sit in this room, I just kind of reflect on the many memories that have happened in 3 short years at Cam Kirk Studios. And looking at the photos on this wall, it really brings me right back to the moment when they happened. It's something about seeing a printed photo that just really brings the moment to life. The work that Framebridge did to print these incredible photos it's amazing, and it warms my heart every time I walk into our studio lounge. It inspires me to want to create more, just to be able to frame it. I mean, this work is incredible. The framing job is incredible. The quality is incredible. And the photos on this wall just really bring it all to life.